Hi, welcome to Adobe Video on Demand on Adobe Stock Enterprise Overview. In this session, we'll be covering the following: Adobe Stock General Overview, Adobe Stock for Enterprise Overview, Adobe Stock for Enterprise End Users, Enterprise Administrator for Admin Console, Enterprise Administrator for Stock Usage Dashboard. Adobe Stock is a service that provides designers and businesses with access to 90 million plus high-quality, curated, royalty-free photos, vectors, illustrations, videos, templates, and 3D assets for all their creative projects. The Adobe Stock service is built right into your favorite Adobe desktop apps, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, so you can search, browse, and add assets to your Creative Cloud libraries, and get instant access to your assets across desktop and mobile devices. In Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, to jumpstart your creative projects, you can even download artist design templates from Adobe Stock right within the new document dialog boxes. Adobe Stock is available as a subscription service. A number of purchasing options are available for individual teams and enterprises. In this session, we'll concentrate more on enterprise offerings for Stock. With Adobe Stock for Enterprise, users of a product configuration for Adobe Stock within the admin console share a pooled quota of credits as determined by their administrator. Once a user licenses an asset, any users of an organization can download the assets without licensing it again. Users can see in the license history on the Adobe Stock website all assets licensed by the organization. When they search for assets from within Creative Cloud apps or on the Adobe Stock website, assets licensed by any user in the organization are displayed with a license badge. Users will need to select their entitlement view on the Adobe Stock website in the following scenarios: when they sign in for the first time on Adobe Stock, if they also have personal or team entitlements to Adobe Stock, or if they belong to multiple product configurations for Adobe Stock within the same organization or through multiple organizations. As a system administrator, you can use the Adobe Admin Console to visualize the details of your Adobe Stock product, such as quota available for your enterprise, quota assigned to products profiles, or quotas consumed by your users. Assign a product administrator role for Adobe Stock to your users. Create edit product profiles for Adobe Stock. Specify a name for the profile visible only by administrators in the admin console. Specify a team stock project name visible by end users on the Adobe Stock website. Define download limits for stock profiles in credits. Configure the different options for your product profiles, as well as adding users and administrators to the profile. As a system administrator, you can also access a dedicated interface on the Adobe Stock, aka Usage Dashboard, to monitor the consumption of Adobe Stock assets and download reports in a CSV file format. We hope this helps you in being familiar with the features and tools within this section. Thank you for watching this quick video on Adobe Stock Overview for Enterprise.